Hello mates, today we will see how to install Windows in any desktop or laptop. If you're coming to our channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. Without talking too much, let's troll the intro. First of all, we will be needed a pen drive. I have already done a video of how to create a USB as a bootable drive. I will mention the video in the I button. You can check there. If your computer is already turned on, plug your pen drive and restart your computer. If not, before turning on the computer, plug the pen drive and turn it on. My computer has already turned on, so I will restart. While your logo appears here, press the boot menu key continuously to enter boot menu. In some cases the boot key will be different according to the brands. In my computer the boot menu key is F12. The boot menu will open like this. Below your pen drive has been visible. You can boot it from here. Or otherwise enter boot setup and select the boot device. I will show you by entering into boot setup. Using your arrow keys, move up down and to select press enter. Here is the boot setup, go to boot option. And below here is boot priority, select the first boot, here the boot devices will be shown. Select the pen drive as first boot. Here is my pen drive showing as generic flash disk, then press enter. And then go to save and exit option. Below, save changes and exit, select that and press yes. Now your Windows starts booting using your pen drive. And here it will ask you to select a language to install. It will be as English as default. And then press next. Click on install now. Here they're asking you the product key. If you have a product key, use that here. Otherwise click here, I don't have a product key. Currently I don't have product key, so I will click this. Now here are Windows editions. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. This is the better edition because Pro version of Windows give you more Windows features. Select Windows 11 Pro and click on Next.
Accept the terms and conditions and click on Next.
Here, if you are upgrading your Windows, select Upgrade. In most cases we are installing Windows freshly. I'm now installing my Windows newly, so I will select Custom. And to install your Windows, all your hard disk or SSD will be shown here. In some cases, while you're selecting the partition and willing to install your Windows, it will show you Windows can't be installed on this partition. If you face this problem, you will need to delete all the partitions, as I'm doing. Now click on Next. Now your Windows starts installing. It may take 10 to 15 minutes to complete this process. Now, wait until your computer restarts again.
Your computer will restart several times.
Here is your Windows 11.
Select your country or region from here. Now click on Yes. Select your keyboard or keep it default and click Yes. I will skip this. It may take some times. And wait some minutes. It will restart your PC. Here, enter the name for your PC. I will enter as user. Wait just a moment here. I am using my PC for my personal use, so I will choose this. You can select here according your purpose of use. And enter your name here. I will skip this for now. Click on Next. If you need these as all enabled, just click Next. I will disable all these. Wait some minutes to load your windows. Okay, all done here. Your Windows is completely installed now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe without any delay and stay tuned for other updates.